Here we go. I got a bite. Just wait until he's there. Oh, that's got an eel. You can feel the weight in him. It's a bass, of course. It's a bass, of course. As you can see how he bent the rod a bit. No, it's not. It's an eel. Bloody eels. These guys have got big problems with. I don't like catching these guys. I really don't like catching them. They tangle up your line. Really pain in the ass to get rid of. Here's a small specimen. But you see, with eels, the lighter in colour, the cleaner they are, the tastier they are, but I'm not much of a big fan of catching eels. But wherever they're lighter in colour, that's when you know that the water system is very clean. And there's a lot of these guys, the short-finned eel, and yeah, we'll continue on.